Welcome to our latest video all about using email marketing to grow your business. If you're looking to make the most of this powerful marketing tool and connect with your customers in a meaningful way, then you're in the right place. Email marketing is all about building relationships and engaging your audience, and it's one of the most cost-effective and efficient ways to do so. From creating attention-grabbing subject lines and designing eye-catching templates to optimizing your send times and analyzing your results, there's a lot that goes into running a successful email marketing campaign. But fear not. In this video, we'll take you step by step through the process, giving you expert advice and practical tips that you can use to supercharge your email marketing efforts. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, you're sure to learn something new and valuable from our comprehensive guide. So get ready to take your email marketing to the next level and drive growth for your business. And don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or want to share your own email marketing success stories. Email marketing is a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their customers, build brand awareness, and ultimately grow their business. In this video, we'll explore how to effectively use email marketing to reach your target audience, increase engagement, and drive conversions. Part 1. Getting started with email marketing. The first step to using email marketing is building an email list. This can be done through sign-up forms on your website, social media platforms, or in-store. It's important to choose an email service provider that fits your business's needs and provides valuable features like analytics, automation, and easy-to-use templates. Part 2. Creating engaging email content. Creating engaging email content is essential to keeping your audience interested and increasing open and click-through rates. This can be achieved through personalized subject lines, visually appealing designs, and relevant and valuable content. It's also important to segment your email list and tailor your content to specific audiences to increase engagement. Part 3. Measuring success with analytics. Analytics are crucial to measuring the success of your email marketing campaigns. Tracking metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates can help you identify what's working and what's not. This information can be used to make informed decisions and improve future campaigns. Part 4. Using automation to save time and increase efficiency. Automation can be a game changer for businesses looking to save time and increase efficiency in their email marketing. This can be done through automated welcome sequences, abandoned cart reminders, and personalized recommendations. By automating these processes, you can free up time to focus on other areas of your business. Part 5. Creating a strong call to action. A strong call to action is essential to driving conversions through email marketing. This can be achieved through clear and concise messaging, visually appealing buttons, and creating a sense of urgency. It's also important to make sure your call to action is relevant to your audience and aligns with your business goals. Part 6. Best practices for email marketing. To ensure the success of your email marketing campaigns, there are some best practices to keep in mind. This includes avoiding spam filters by keeping your content relevant and avoiding overly promotional language, testing and optimizing your campaigns regularly, and always providing value to your audience. Part 7. Conclusion and key takeaways. Email marketing is a powerful tool for businesses looking to connect with their audience and grow their business. By building an email list, creating engaging content, measuring success with analytics, using automation to save time, creating a strong call to action, and following best practices, you can effectively use email marketing to your advantage. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding how to use email marketing to grow your business. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on digital marketing.